Silver Stag Pyro here with my two lovely helpers, Karen and Lucy. Lucy, what do we have?
We have
Select Widow.
Select Widow.
Yep, Select Widow firework by RGS Fireworks. So in this box, to get you a close look there, they are going to be Nishiki Willow and Plum Effect. The Plum Effect, I'm pretty sure they consider the Lace Effect, I think is the same thing. It's just sometimes they call it Plum Effect, but that should be what it is if I understand that correctly. There's some stock images of what the effects might look like. All right, and we'll take a look at the inside. These look like 5-inch shells. And there's a tube, fiberglass tube, which is good. Keep that and reuse it over and over. I'll be putting all these in a rack anyway. So there's the individual shells. Each one is labeled for effect, which is pretty awesome. So like gold TI willow, it's titanium willow with blue, and then like white strobe, red plum. So 3 of each different type of shell. I will be leaving out 1 shell of the kit to use in a larger video I'm gonna put up later of different. I'm gonna fill up this rack here of 1 shell out of multiple different kits, and then I'm gonna set them off all at once just for some different type of video. So yeah, we will take a look at these Select Widow by RGS Fireworks, and we will see you out there. Here we go with another review. These will be Select Willow shells. It's a little bit of mix of plum and nishiki. Here we go. Gotta hike it backwards. Wow! All the way to the ground. Really nice. Holy moly. Yeah. That was really nice. All right, guys. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.